Namaskar and Salam. In this video, we will take the short vowels in Urdu. There are 3 short vowels in Urdu and they are called Zabar, Zer and Pesh. They are short E and U in Hindi. Zabar is the inherent which all Hindi consonants have by default. Zabar is written as a very small slanted stroke above the letter. Zer is short E matra and it is written as a small slanted stroke under the letter. And finally, Pesh is the short U matra, which is written as comma-shaped diacritic above the letter. For example, Alif Zabar Alif Zer I, and Alif Pesh U. Let's take Zabar Zer Pesh with consonants. Be Zabar Ba, Be Zer Bi, and Be Pesh Bu. One more example. Kaf Zabar Ka, Kaf Zer Ki, and Kaf Pesh Ku. And the final example, Lam Zabar La, Lam Zer Li, and Lam Pesh Lu. A common thing about Zabar Zer Pesh is that they are very, very rarely written. In fact, most of the time you already need to know the word with a short vowel to read it. It will be easy to understand them with examples. So let's take some words. We will first take the words with Zabar. The first short vowel is Zabar. It represents a vowel, the inherent a vowel in Hindi. Let's take some words. The first word is Ab, meaning now. So Alif Zabar A plus Be, Ab, Ab. The next word is Kab, meaning when. The question word, the interrogative word Kab, when. The consonant K has inherent a, so it will have Zabar. So Kaf Zabar K plus Be, Kab, Kab. Kaf is the first letter, so it will take the initial form and it will connect with Be, which is the last letter. So Be will take the final form. Kab, Kab. The next word is Hum, meaning we, the first person plural subject pronoun. Here the consonant H has inherent a, so Choti He will have Zabar. So Choti He Zabar H plus Mim, Hum, Hum. Choti He here is the first letter, so it will take the initial form and connect to Mim, which is the last letter. So the letter Mim will take the final form, Hum, Hum. And finally, keep in mind all these words are frequently written without Zabar, as you can see here. The next short vowel is Zer. It represents the short E matra in Hindi. The first word is, meaning this, the oblique form of the pronoun yah in Hindi Urdu. So Alif Zer I plus Sin, I sa is. The next word is Dil, meaning heart. So Dal Zer Di plus Lam, Di la, Dil. The next word is Mil, meaning to meet, the root of the verb milna. So Mim Zer Mi plus Lam, Mi la, Mil. Here Mim is the first letter, so it will take the initial form and will connect to Lam, which is the last letter. So Lam will take the final form. And finally, again, keep in mind all these words are frequently written without Zer, as you can see here. Let's now take the final short vowel Pesh that represents short U matra in Hindi. The first word is Us, meaning that, the oblique form of the pronoun wo in Hindi Urdu. So Alif Pesh U plus Sin, U sa, Us. The next word is Tum, the second person informal subject pronoun. So Te Pesh Tu plus Mim, Tu ma, Tum. The first letter here is Te, so it will take the initial form and will connect to Mim, which is the last letter. So Mim will take the final form, Tu ma, Tum. The next word is Bahut, meaning a lot, many. The first letter is Be, so Be Zabar Ba. The second letter is Choti He, so Choti He Pesh Hu. And the final letter is Te, so Bahut, Bahut. The first letter is Be, so it will take the initial form and connect to Choti He, which is in between two consonants, and Choti He will take the medial form. Te is the final letter, so it will take the final form. So Bahut, Bahut. And finally, keep in mind all these words too are also frequently written without Pesh, as you can see here. And at the end, let's take all these words together. The words with Zabar are Ab, Kab, and Hum. The words with Zair are is, dil, and mil. And finally, the words with Pesh are us, tum, and bahut. As I mentioned, these words are very frequently written without Zabar, Zair, and Pesh. You can see here that the words is and us are same if the short vowels are not written. You will need to follow the context whether it is or us. And most of the time you will have to learn these words, their spelling without Zabar, Zair, and Pesh. In our next video, we will take the Hindi vowel A and its representation in Urdu. See you there. Namaskar and Salam.